Hello ladies and gentlemen, quick disclaimer before I get started. At the moment I am doing some traveling, so I won't be able to do full voiceover videos with a specific topic. Plus I am recording the voiceover part on my phone, so I am sorry for the audio if it is weirder than usual. I pre-recorded some videos and you will be seeing those the coming Mondays. Since there is not an in-depth topic that I can teach with these videos, I tried to make these as fun as possible, both for you and also for me. In this video I am drawing a hover truck, which if you are following me on Instagram, you know that I have been in a phase of hover truck sketches lately. But this one I did in a good old traditional industrial design sketching way. I recorded the whole process, which was around 40 minutes, but with editing and at 3 times speed, I managed to bring it down to 11-ish minutes. I feel that 3 times speed is a pretty good sweet spot where you can still see what is happening, but you are also not gonna be watching a 40-minute video. And if you still find it's a bit too fast, you can always play back the video at a slower pace. But if it is still fast and I get many comments, I might slow it down for the next one. It is always a mixed response when I ask about the speed of these videos. I have some people who want 20+ minute videos at normal speed, and there are many others who prefer the under 10-minute videos. So I'm trying to please as many people as I can with this 20-minute-ish mark. Moving on from the length and replay speed, let me talk a bit about inspiration here. For some reason, there's a lot of depictions in media of these old-timer cars turned into hover trucks, especially the American classics. I don't quite know what it is, but the juxtaposition of visibly outdated design language with a very futuristic one is something quite appealing, especially to me. And appealing apparently not just to me, but also to other artists and people, since we see these designs all over the internet and the entertainment industry as well. It can be a vehicle with a sleek body, well-integrated hover engine elements, or it can be an old rusty 4T with hover parts that don't really seem to fit, and the two were forced together in a shotgun sort of wedding. You can see plenty of both, and of course usually I prefer the latter. Either way, design-wise this works for me. You have the recognizable shape of the old vehicles that is broken up by sprinkles of hover technology, both soothing the eye and also giving some interesting detail for the eye to hunt for. While in my digital pieces I try to stick to a more clean approach with the details, here I lean into the sketchiness of my lines and use darker markers on the engine and futuristic parts to obscure them and let the viewer's eye decide what the detail is that they're seeing. And this is not necessarily about laziness, but about being playful and wanting the viewer to imagine the details themselves and having fun with the visual. To offset this, I do plenty of studies where I try to recreate mechanical engines or parts in precise detail. And some of those details I can use in future drawings like this, where I just hint at some mechanical elements. Anyways, not much reason in rambling on. You know my process by now, and if not, I have plenty of videos where I talk about my process in depth, so feel free to check those out. I'm curious though, for the next video that is also in a similar vein, would you like me to talk about a specific aspect of the video like I did here, or should I just shut my pie hole and let the music roll so you can enjoy the video? Tell me what you think, I'm curious, although I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a split between the people who wanna hear me talk and the people who don't. But yeah, with that I'm almost done talking. Hope you will enjoy this video further. Hit that like button if you did like it, or if you do like it, and hit that follow button if you want to see more content like this. If you want to support me, there are links to my Gumroad and coffee in the description down below. But as always, the most important thing is that you folks have a great time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!
make it